fourth grade, we're going to go over section or math lesson 530, which is on adding mixed fractions and fractions. On your whiteboard or on your piece of paper, I would like for you to write down this problem, 5 2/4 plus 3/4. Now, before you tackle this problem, I want you to reflect on what challenges you might encounter while adding these fractions together. Talk about it with a parent, a friend, a sibling, or just think about it in your head. What kind of problems might you encounter? So right now I'm going to go over maybe a couple ways that we can think about this problem. In reality, there's a lot of different ways that you can solve for this problem. And the ones that I offer you today are not the only ways to think about it, because all of our brains work differently, and that's the beauty of math. There's more than one way to arrive to the answer. So 5 2/4 and 3 plus 3/4. My first instinct is to add the like units. Okay, and our units, we have ones and we have fourths, right? Because this 5 here represents 5 wholes or 5 ones. So we have units, we have our ones and fourths. So my first instinct is to add together the like units. So I see 2/4 and 3/4. So when I add those together, that's going to give me 5/4. Okay. So now my problem is 5 plus 5/4. Now, 5/4 is an improper fraction. Proper fractions have numerators that are larger than the denominators, telling us that there are more parts than there are parts in the whole. So we can take this 5/4 and we can break this up into its whole and what's left over. So 5/4, I am going to split this up. I know that my unit is fourths, so there's 4 in the whole. So I know that one whole would be 4/4. And then what's left over is 1/4. Okay. This 4/4 is one whole. That's going to become a 1. So 5 plus 1 is going to give us 6. And then we have this 1/4 left over, which gives us 6 and 1/4. Now, this is just the way that my brain thought about it. Let's see if you can come up with a different way to solve. Even though this is the only way that I'm going to solve it for you today, I want you on your whiteboard or on your paper, I challenge you to find a different way to solve it. Maybe you decompose 3/4. Maybe you come up with a different way to solve it and simplify. Either way, we know that we should come to the answer 6 and 1/4. Feel free to rewatch this video if you have any questions. That is all that I have for you. Happy adding fractions. That sounded strange, but that's okay. Bye.